Enjoy a safe and unforgettable trip on our exclusive cruises to the Galapagos Islands. We offer 10% of the available cruises, providing unique nature expeditions, diving and amazing daily excursions. Discover this impressive fleet, starting with the Galaxy Sirius Luxury Catamaran, the newest jewel of our fleet. If you are looking for the perfect combination of comfort and luxury, the Alya Catamaran, with its lavish amenities, is your ideal choice. For those who want an eco-friendly experience without sacrificing elegance, the Eco Galaxy, with its serene ambience, is the perfect catamaran. The Galaxy offers an exclusive family yacht. While the Bonita stands out as a warm and comfortable adventure yacht. For expeditions and adventures, rely on the renewed Galaxy Orion. In addition, the Galaxy Daily is specially designed for exciting daily adventures. For diving enthusiasts, we present the renewed Galaxy Diver 2, the most equipped diving yacht in the Galapagos. Our mission is to provide exceptional trips that focus on quality and customer satisfaction. With our advanced tools and ongoing support, we ensure that every aspect of your visit to the Galapagos Islands is unforgettable. Explore this natural paradise.